I was not born in your world, but it raised me, shaped me, made me what I am. The jungle is not savage, it is honest. Every sound, every shadow, every breath has meaning.
I came here to study life, to understand something greater than myself. But nothing prepared me for this. For him. For this world. There's a balance here. A connection between everything. And the moment we disturb it, we become the danger.
You see beauty. I see opportunity. This jungle is full of things the world would pay anything to own. Rare creatures, untamed land, power waiting to be taken. And I don't leave empty-handed.
You bring noise, fire, fear. The jungle feels you, and it rejects you. You don't belong here, and it will fight back.
This isn't just land. It's alive. It breathes. It survives. And when it pushes back, you won't be able to stop it.
I've faced beasts bigger than this jungle, stronger than anything hiding in it. At the end of the day, everything bleeds and everything falls.
I am not your enemy, but I will become one if I have to. This is my home, my life, and I will fight for it. They call this wilderness something to conquer, something to tame. But this is not chaos. It's a family, a balance, a world that doesn't need saving. It needs protecting.
When I first saw you, I thought you were part of the forest, something wild and unreachable. But you're not just surviving here. You belong here. And if they come, if they try to take this from you, then they'll have to go through both of us.
Beautiful, isn't it? All this land, all this life, untouched, unclaimed. Men like me don't see beauty. We see opportunity. And everything here, every creature, every inch, belongs to whoever's strong enough to take it.
You think strength is taking what isn't yours, but strength is knowing what to fight for. And this is worth everything.
Worth everything? You mistake instinct for strength and attachment for power. This jungle you worship, it's not a kingdom, it's a resource. And resources get claimed.